Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate precautions. Open Settings and check Device, Admin Apps to see if TrackView is active. You must disable that first. Once done, back up any recordings or logs to cloud or export them locally so you don't lose footage. Also make sure you know the TrackView account email and password, and note any paired devices. These steps prevent lockouts and data loss before you proceed to removal. Now you'll revoke the app's elevated control and detach it from your account. Go to Device Admin Apps and toggle TrackView off. Android won't let you uninstall otherwise. Then open App Permissions and revoke camera, microphone, location, and storage to stop background access. After that, sign out inside TrackView or via the web console and unlink any paired devices so they won't attempt reconnection. These actions free the app from protections and associations that block removal. Finish by uninstalling the app and verifying no remnants remain. Open Settings Apps, select TrackView, and tap Uninstall. Confirm and then reboot your device to clear active processes. Once restarted, inspect file storage for leftover folders or cache and delete them to free space. If the uninstall fails or TrackView reinstalls itself, boot into safe mode and remove it there, or use a reputable removal tool. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.